Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misbah Ghulam Abbas, and you are watching Mishi Arts, the world of crafts. But I, as you all know, also make the reviews of some of the products which are very useful and which are common in daily uses. So that main purpose of my channel is to be my videos should be beneficial for everyone. So I hope this will also give benefits to the people who are watching and in future who will be watching them. Okay, so before starting, let me tell you, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. And today the review is about Samsung product. This is my new cell phone, and Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I have got this new cell phone, and the number is A27s. It's Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see the warranty card is over here, and there are it is PTA approved. Okay, and there are two seals. One is over here, and the other is over here. So now let's open the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So here we have a warranty card that you can see. Okay, and now what we have, what does it shows? It shows that it is black color, because I was using my last cell phone was of blue color, so I decided to change something. And okay, now let's open the seal. We have two seals, one is over here and the other is over here. So let's open it. Let's cut the seal, and one seal is over here. Okay, so what is this shows that सिर्फ PTA से तस्दीक शुदा मोबाइल devices खरीदिए, buy only PTA approved devices. So this is very important, that if the device is approved by PTA, then only you should buy it, or else you can face some sort of problem, but I don't know what sort of problems are we going to face. Now let's open it. So while we open it, and then oh my god, so this is it. We are now, so this is how it looks, something like this. Now let's open it. Oh my god, this is something it looks like. And now what do we have? We have a pin over here, we have a charger without any case. I don't know why there isn't any case for it. We also have a cable over here, a USB cable, and we have a pin. We don't have the hand free with these. I don't know why. I'm not that technical about all these things. So keeping all these things aside, let's talk about the cell phone and its internal storage etc. So it says that it has a ROM of 64 GB and the RAM is 4 GB, and as you can see, it has a front camera over here that is built in, and there are 4 cameras over here, and there is also a, what is this called, finger lock over here. Now let's open it. Now I am opening the cell phone, and let's see. It comes with a smart display of Samsung. I chose this cell phone because of its camera, because the camera results are quite better. Let's go English United. Okay, so it says insert SIM card and all these things. So check out some of the info to get ended user license. These are all details we are going to put, and then we are going to start it. So I have read and agreed to all the above, and let's start. So this is the cell phone. We are going to skip it right now because afterwards I'm going to do all the settings of okay, what does this say? The smart switch brings you data from old devices to your new. Later I'm going to transfer all my data from my cell phone to this cell phone afterwards. Okay, now what is this? Accept. Protect your phone face. Okay, so here are the protect your phone, like you can keep your face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin or password. So this is what it says. Fingerprint. If face recognition, it is going to ask for my face, and if you are going to keep the pattern or any pin or password. So we are going to skip right now and skip anyway. Sign into your Samsung account. I'm also going to give all these details afterwards, and all done. Finish. So they are going to ask all these things and you are going to do that. So this is how it looks. You see, it's quite handy, quite fast. And now let's open the menu. I'm here in the settings and about phone. There are 2 slots of SIM you can apply. You can put 2 SIMs. It's a dual SIM. And now let me show you some software information. So here are all the details of the software you can see. Okay, so this was it for today. I hope you found it useful and it's quite nice and informative for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.